How to add your Gmail account on your iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add your Google account or Gmail account on your iPhone device. So first thing what you want to do is simply open your settings and scroll all the way down until you find the mail option. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, just click on accounts and then click on add account from over here, and it will ask you to enter either of account your Google or Yahoo or Outlook account. So we are choosing Google account from over here, so let me just select Google account from over here, and it will ask you to enter your sign-in details, that is email or phone number of your Gmail account which you use to register your Gmail account. And simply it will also ask you to enter your phone number to get a 6-digit verification code. So just click on it and hit the send button and wait for some time, and just check your another Gmail account to verify that you have received your 6-digit code. And once you see it from there, just type in your verification code inside here just like this, and simply click on continue from over here. And just make sure when you reach to this screen you have enabled this 3 option over here, and you have successfully added your Gmail account to your iPhone. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.